Meaning of demi-sec.
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 Demi-sec. Demi-sec is a French term used to describe sweetness level in wines, champagne, and other sparkling wines. It literally translates to half-dry and indicates that the wine has a certain amount of residual sugar left over after fermentation, resulting in a slightly sweet taste. Demi-sec wines have a higher sugar content than brut or extra brut wines but are not as sweet as fully sweet wines like doux or section. They pair well with desserts and are a popular option for those who enjoy a slightly sweet wine without overwhelming sweetness.